Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Acorns, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading the Acorns app from your device's app store. Open the app and create an account using your email address. Provide the necessary personal information, including your name and date of birth. Next, link your bank account to easily fund your Acorns investment. Select your investment strategy based on your risk tolerance. Acorns offers several options ranging from conservative to aggressive. Once you've chosen your strategy, set your initial investment amount. Consider enabling the Roundup feature. This feature rounds up your purchases and invests the spare change. For example, if you spend $3.50, Acorns will invest 50 cents. Review your spending habits to determine how much you can invest monthly. Make a budget that incorporates your regular expenses and savings goals. Use the Acorns interface to monitor your investment progress. Check the performance of your portfolio to understand gains and losses. Adjust your budget as needed based on your investment growth and expenses. Consider using Acorns' Found Money feature. Brands may contribute to your investment when you shop with them. Regularly review your spending and adjust your Acorns contributions accordingly. Stay informed about market trends to make educated decisions. Set financial goals and keep them in mind while using Acorns. Be patient, as investing is a long-term journey. Celebrate milestones in your investment growth to stay motivated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.